There comes a moment in every person's life when the truth hits. Your mindset is either building your future or destroying it. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they think in ways that keep them small. Today, we fix that. Today, you learn the 5 mindset shifts that rebuild your entire life. Part 1. Shift 1. I'm responsible for my life. The first shift is the hardest. It's the moment you stop blaming everything outside you. Not your country, not your family, not your past, not your circumstance. The day you take full responsibility is the day your life opens. Because responsibility gives you power. Blame takes it away. Your life is not your fault, but your future, that is completely in your hands. Shift 2. Discipline over motivation. Motivation feels good, but it disappears. Discipline stays. Motivation is emotion. Discipline is identity. Say it. I don't wait for motivation, I create momentum. When you build discipline, you build a future that doesn't collapse when your feelings change. Shift 3. Pain is part of growth. When you try to grow, life tests you. It puts pressure on you. It challenges you. It breaks you open so you can rebuild stronger. Pain is not a sign to stop. It's a sign you are becoming someone new. The people who get far in life don't avoid discomfort. They walk into it. Because they know comfort keeps you the same. Discomfort changes you. Shift 4. Small actions create big change. Your life doesn't fall apart in one day. It falls apart slowly, through tiny habits. And it becomes great the same way. One small improvement, one small habit, one small choice. Repeat it daily. If you want a new life in 1 year, start with a new decision today. The greatest transformations don't come from huge moments. They come from small actions done with consistency. Shift 5. I become who I believe I am. Your identity is the steering wheel of your life. If you believe you're weak, you'll act weak. If you believe you're strong, you'll act strong. Your mind listens to your self-talk. Your actions follow your beliefs. Your future follows your actions. Upgrade your identity and your reality upgrades automatically. Before we end, I want to ask you one question. Which mindset shift do you need the most right now? Responsibility, discipline, growth, identity. Tell me in the comments. If this episode pushed you, if it made you think, if it made you want to become better, comment, like, subscribe. This is RiseShift, where you rise, one mindset shift at a time.